Welcome to Best Quality. Best Mid Range Espresso Machine 2026. Looking for the perfect balance between price and performance in your coffee setup? You're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into the best mid-range espresso machines of 2026 that deliver rich flavor, smooth crema, and
Top 1.
Breville Barista Espresso Machine. Finding a reliable coffee maker that fits daily needs can feel challenging, especially when quality and cost both matter. The Breville Barista Espresso Machine stands out as a popular choice among coffee lovers who want cafe-style drinks at home. It offers a balanced experience that suits beginners as well as regular users who enjoy fresh brewing without complicated steps. This machine is often searched under Best Mid-Range Espresso Machine, making it a strong option for people looking to upgrade their routine. Its design feels modern and practical, helping users create smooth and rich coffee with ease. Many buyers prefer it because it supports a consistent process, which is important for getting the same taste every time. People searching for a home espresso machine usually want something that saves time while still giving a premium feel. This product fits well into that category, offering convenience alongside a stylish appearance.
Top 2.
Ninja Luxe Café Premier 3-in-1 Espresso Machine. Ninja Luxe Café Premier 3-in-1 Espresso Machine brings a smart way to enjoy cafe-style drinks at home without spending too much. This model fits well for users who want a balanced option between price and performance. Its modern look blends easily with different kitchen styles, making it a popular choice for daily coffee routines. Many buyers search for a reliable Best Espresso Machine 2026 option, and this product often appears in trending lists due to its versatility. Busy mornings become easier when a machine supports quick preparation, while
Top 3.
Breville Barista Espresso Machine. Breville Barista Espresso Machine brings a balanced coffee experience for users who want quality drinks at home. This machine is popular among coffee lovers who prefer smooth taste and fresh aroma in every cup. The design looks modern and fits easily in most kitchen spaces, making it suitable for daily use. Many users search for a best espresso machine that delivers consistent results, and this model often comes up in discussions. Grinding beans right before brewing helps maintain flavor, giving a richer and deeper profile in each shot. People looking for a home coffee maker often consider this option because it supports a more hands-on brewing process. It allows users to explore different coffee styles without needing advanced knowledge. The overall performance feels reliable for regular coffee preparation. Consistency matters when making espresso, and this machine supports even extraction for better taste. Coffee enthusiasts searching for a mid-range espresso machine appreciate products that balance cost and performance. This model fits well within that category, offering dependable results without a high price tag.
Top 4.
Gaggia RI9380/46 E24 Espresso Machine creates a smooth and rich coffee experience for daily use. This model attracts attention with its solid design and reliable performance, making it a popular choice for home coffee lovers. The build feels durable, giving confidence for long-term use without worry. It suits users who want consistent taste without spending too much money. This machine fits well in modern kitchens and supports easy operation for beginners. Many users prefer it because it delivers balanced flavor and a strong aroma in every cup. The overall design helps maintain quality brewing results while keeping the process simple and enjoyable. It works well for making espresso, cappuccino, and other drinks without hassle. Coffee lovers searching for a best espresso machine 2026 often consider this option due to its value and trusted brand reputation. The performance meets expectations for those who want a mid-range coffee machine with dependable results. It offers a great choice for anyone interested in improving their daily coffee routine without complex steps.
Top 5.
Café Bueno Super Automatic Espresso Machine. Daily coffee habits become easier with the Café Bueno Super Automatic Espresso Machine, designed for people who enjoy fresh taste without extra effort. Smooth brewing helps create rich aroma while maintaining consistent texture in every cup. This machine supports a simple routine where users can enjoy cafe-style drinks at home without complex steps. Busy mornings feel more relaxed when a quick espresso is ready in seconds. Modern households often look for smart kitchen solutions, and this product fits well into that lifestyle. Its design blends nicely with different interiors, making it suitable for both small and large spaces. Coffee lovers can explore different styles while keeping preparation time short. Every cup feels balanced, delivering a satisfying experience that many users prefer daily. Energy efficiency also plays an important role, helping reduce unnecessary power use during operation. Easy cleaning keeps maintenance stress low, which is helpful for long-term use. People who want convenience with quality often choose machines like this to upgrade their routine. It allows users to enjoy barista-style drinks without visiting expensive cafes.
All of the items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the link in the description. You can check out the link for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.